So with me here from Houston, I've got Jonathan Pearce from BGS. He is a sub-project leader in the European Energy Research Alliance Joint Program of CCS, yes. And he's a panel lead here, so he's one of the distinguished people here, you know. And I wondered, in the subsurface and storage area, were there any new topics arising from the discussions you've had these 2 days?
Yeah, I think there's been a lot of very interesting topics. Some of them are quite new in terms of new technologies for monitoring. So downhole monitoring technologies, particularly on the acoustic side. Some very interesting new technologies around injecting particles into the reservoir so that you can illuminate the reservoir more clearly. So really tracers. Advanced, yeah, it's kinds of tracers, particle tracers, active and passive ones. So very new and exciting technologies are coming out, yes.
But do you see any possibilities here for more cooperation in the mission innovation envelope, so to speak, you know, from European EERA side and from BGS?
Definitely. We've just had a meeting of the UK delegation here. It sounds like the ACT program is going to try and make some links with mission innovation. Mm-hmm. So I think that's really exciting. Mm-hmm. And I think there's lots of advantage, lots of potential here. Mm-hmm. If we can get the support to do collaborations with organisations in America, in Canada and in Australia particularly, I think we'll do really well. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So you think these kind of international initiatives are useful for the CCS area?
Very useful, because I think what it will do is it will help to unlock more research funding in Europe and get better leverage, if you like. You know, parts of the world, particularly like North America, are quite advanced with some aspects of CO2 storage, and being able to work with them is a real advantage, I think.
And maybe as a side remark, are you happy with the present work program for H2020 last 3 years in terms of storage?
Not at all.
Not at all?
Not at all, because at the moment the CO2 storage area is relatively poorly defined, and most of the research calls are not going to come out until the end of the program. So we'd like to accelerate that process and take advantage of some of the great ideas that are coming out of mission innovation.
Yeah, but it means that you can take some of the learnings from here into this shaping of that program then.
That's right. I mean, that's what we're hoping to be able to do is by capturing the messages from the Mission Innovation Workshop this week, we can hopefully feed those back to the European Commission that will influence the future calls.
Okay, so that was the report from the subsurface people. Thank you.